this is Mr. Aiden. This is the AP Calculus AB 2025 exam from May 2025. This is free response question number 1. Check out my website, mraiden.com. And number 1 was all about an invasive species in a fruit grove. You can see they gave us C of T. We want to put that in our calculator. That is the number of acres of the fruit grove that is affected. Time is in weeks. You can see they also gave us C prime of T. I put that in my calculator as well. And the first thing they want us to find is the average number of acres affected by the invasive species from 0 to 4 weeks. So we're going to set up our average calculation, which means we're going to do 1/4 from the integral from 0 to 4 of C of T dt. And when we do that, we put that in our calculator. We get 2.77822 acres that are affected, and that is the average because C of T is in acres, D of T is in weeks. That's acres weeks divided by 4 weeks. That leaves us with an average number of acres. Let's go to part B. Part B is asking for the time when the instantaneous rate of change equals the average rate of change. Well, the average rate of change is different than the average. The average rate of change, how we find the average rate of change is we're going to take C of 4 minus C of 0 over 4 minus 0, and we can do that in our calculator, and we end up getting 1.28201, and that is in acres because C of T is in acres per week, and that is the average rate of change, which means then in our calculator we want to do solve. And we want to do C prime of T, that first derivative, that instantaneous, and we're going to set that equal to the average, 1.28201. We're going to solve for T, and I even put in my calculator from 0 to T to 4 to find out the time in between, and that gave us the time was equal to 2.15429 weeks. 2.15429 weeks, and that is when the average rate of change is equal to the instantaneous. Then in part C, it said assume the invasive species continues to spread for all the models, write the limit expression that describes the end behavior. So what is that talking about is when the limit of time approaches infinity, and we want to describe the end behavior of the rate of change of the acres. So that is C prime of T. So the limit as time approaches infinity of C prime of T, and that is 0, which means it's actually coming to equilibrium. It's not that the invasive species is going away. It's not that they've hit 0. They continue to grow, but then the growth equals some equilibrium, the growth and the death, and so that is equal to 0. And then the last part gave us a brand new function. You can see they gave us A of T equals C of T minus the integral from 4 to T of 0.1 times natural log of x dx. And that model is the number of acres affected from 4 to 36 weeks. And we want to know the maximum value for A of T, which means first let's take a look at our endpoints. So we're going to do A of 4, which means we're doing C of 4 minus from 4 to 4 of 0.1 times natural log of x dx. And you can see from 4 to 4 is 0. That area is 0. So C of 4 in your calculator ends up being 5.12803 acres. And that is how many acres are being affected at 4 weeks. Well, we want to try the other endpoint. So A of 36, which means we're doing C of 36 in our calculator, minus from 4 to 36 of 0.1 times natural log of x dx. And we end up getting for this 1.74306 acres. So right now we're trying to find the maximum value. Right now the 4 weeks is the maximum value, but there could be a time at which we're going to hit a maximum value at some point between 4 and 36, which means we have to set A prime of T equals 0. And so what we need to do is we need to take the derivative of C of T, which is C prime of T, minus the derivative of the integral, that's the fundamental theorem of calculus, which means minus 0.1 times natural log of T, and we're going to set that equal to 0. We're going to solve for T in our calculator, and solve for t. And that time ends up becoming a time of 11.4417. And so that could be the maximum. It could be the minimum. It could be neither. And so what am I going to do? I'm going to do A of 11.4417, which means we're doing C of 11.4417 minus the integral from 4 to 11.4417 of 0.1 times natural log of x dx, and we end up getting 7.31698 acres, which means that is the maximum value between 4 and 36, at which A attains a maximum value of acres that are affected. And that is the AP Calculus 2025 free response question number 1. Look at all my other answers on my YouTube channel or my website. Thanks, guys. Bye.